Alrighty, y'all. Here we are, Wally World, Walmart. So I've been posting a bunch of videos about like nutrient density, quality foods, shopping at Whole Foods. I've been getting a lot of flack on how you gotta have, a lot of money to shop at those grocery stores. So I'm just gonna like dispel that rumor, and we're gonna go to Walmart. We're gonna hit my macros, which for this week we're gonna hit these macros at Walmart. 100 grams of fat, 10 grams of carbs, actually 220 grams of fat, 100 grams of protein, and 10 grams of carbs, all right? That's what we're gonna go in there and get. We're gonna do it with nutrient-dense foods. We're not gonna like sacrifice quality food just because we're on a budget. So, not really sure what we're gonna shoot for money-wise, but everybody seems to be doing like 50 bucks a week, so we're gonna try and shoot for that. But yeah, let's do it. All right, so I put heavy cream in my coffee every morning. We have heavy cream here, $2.98 for this container. This bad boy is 16 tablespoons worth. So 2 tablespoons in my coffee every morning. That's 8 days. This is for a week. All right, y'all, so we have pretty much both ends of the spectrum on the eggs. We have like 18 over there for 99 cents, or we can pay like $4 for like these organic free-range eggs. There's no way to really know how organic and free-range are. Like marketing ploys and buzzwords are kind of a killer right now. So we're gonna go middle of the road, play it safe, go for like a nutrient-dense egg for $2.97. We're gonna get the cage free over here. All right, y'all, so we're gonna go with some margarine here because it's a smart balance and supports healthy cholesterol levels. Are you kidding me? No. We're gonna go for the real deal, Kerrygold, $2.88. We got 16 tablespoons in here. This is gonna be a week's worth with 2 tablespoons per day. Look what we found here at Walmart. Beef liver, the micronutrient powerhouse, for $2.48. This entire, is it a pound or?
1 pound.
Per pound, $2.48 per pound. We're gonna get this beast. We're gonna do 3 ounces per day. Here we go. We have 80-20 ground beef, grass-fed. We're gonna get 2 packages. They're a pound each. $5.48 per pound, so $10.96 for both of these. This brings our total so far to $21.28, getting only like grass-fed micronutrient dense foods. I think we're doing pretty good so far. So one of my favorite macro topping options for fat is olives. We're gonna get organic jalapeno stuffed olives, super clean ingredients, 1 gram of fat per olive. There's 40 olives in here. We're gonna have 4 a day. Alright, y'all, I'm pretty impressed here. Walmart has the Wild Planet sardines in olive oil. However, they're $2.74 a container, and I would recommend doing 1 container a day. So we're gonna skip this for the sake of, saving money and illustrating a point. So no sardines on this grocery run. All right, y'all, we have organic, unrefined, virgin coconut oil. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of this a day. There are 24 servings in here, so we're gonna have some room to spare. It is $6.48. Let's do it. Extra virgin olive oil here for $4.94. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons a day. There are 14 grams of fat per tablespoon. Just because we're on a budget doesn't mean we're skimping on our electrolytes. We got pink Himalayan salt here. It's even got the non-GMO sticker on there. So this is $3.98. This is gonna last much more than a week, so you got salt to spare. All right, y'all, so we have the Applegate, no nitrates, uncured beef hot dog, 9 grams of fat, and 7 grams of protein per serving. Super clean ingredients, $4.98 per package. We're gonna get 2 packages, have 2 hot dogs a day. All right, y'all, so Macadamia Nuts, this entire package is $5.76. So this will last us a week, no problem. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup per serving, 21 grams of fat in that 1/4 cup. Organic bone broth, beef bone broth, $2.56 per carton, 4 cups in here. We're gonna have 1 cup a day. Wild caught salmon fillets here. There's 8 fillets in here. We got 2.5 grams of fat, so we're gonna add fat to this. 19 grams of protein, and where's the price? $7.72 for the week. We decided we loved eggs so much, we're gonna get 1 more egg a day, so another container of eggs. Alrighty, y'all, we found some Clarified Butter ghee. I love ghee. It's great to cook with. It's great to have in your foods. We're gonna probably add some of this into our bone broth. We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of this a day. It is $8.84. All right, y'all, so we've added all this up. We're at $80.04 according to my calculations. We're gonna ring it up and see what it actually comes up to. Macro wise, we hit everything on the money. I don't know if you can see this here. You see that? 1 on the protein, 0.8 on the carbs, 0.8 on the fats.
Wait, hold on.
Did it focus?
Your finger was on the way. Hold on.
Focus.
Yeah.
Anyways, and a couple quick things I want to make note of here. This is for full 7 days, okay? This isn't for like 5 days. This is for the entire week. It's all organic. It's all quality, nutrient-dense foods. And we're not buying in bulk. And this is for me eating 2,400 calories, so probably a little bit higher than most people. So this is 80 bucks for 2,400 calories, a full 7 days, all quality foods that I would take pride and feel confident in eating. Check it out. And I really want to stress the point that if you got more mouths to feed, or if you're on a stricter budget, you can get cheaper options. Like, this is literally the best quality foods you can get at Walmart, still under 100 bucks a week, like with that high caloric intake. So you can make keto work no matter what your budget is, basically, is the rule of thumb. And here we are doing it without having to sacrifice any nutrient quality. Alright, y'all, the final damage has been done. $83.84. I don't know if that's gonna focus or not. Is it focusing?
I think so.
$83.84 for all that nutrient dense, high quality food at 2,400 calories for a week.